Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Tonight, I hadn't been cooking a lot lately, so I sort of felt guilty. So this is a meal that people have been asking for simple and quick meals that are really, really good. And this is one of y'all's favorites for sure. It's one that we've done for the football team for years. It's just hamburger steak and gravy. And y'all used to call them potato balls. So this is something you can take back to your apartment. And for whoever's watching, they can do it too. I'm gonna let you patty up those burgers, Drew. If you just take like a pound and a half, whatever, of hamburger, you're gonna patty them up just like you would for the grill. I have sprayed this pan and put a rack on the inside. And once he patties those up, he's gonna lay them right there. And then I always use Montreal steak seasoning. One of the best that I've found, really tasty, really easy. Douse them with that really good. And while Drew's doing those patties, I'm going to show you how we do the famous football potato balls. They call them potato balls because they're new potatoes. I took 4 cans, 8-ounce cans of potatoes, drained them, put them in this bowl. You can season them any way you want to. Of course, we're going to start with some salt and pepper. And then I'm going to toss it a little bit. But you can be creative with this if you like garlic salt, if you like oregano, if you like a little spicy, put a little paprika on them. But literally you can do anything that you want to. And your guys would eat this at school, wouldn't they?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And this is really easy. After it's all done, it looks pretty complicated, but it's really not. So I'm going to put salt and pepper and garlic salt on mine. And my hands are clean. Both of our hands are clean. So for you people that message me and say, are your hands clean? You don't have to worry about that. We all washed our hands. And we're going to put the hamburgers in the oven on 350 to 375 for about 30 minutes. You have to kind of gauge your own oven until they're brown. And then we take them out. And then for football, we make gravy right out of this little thing right here. And you put gravy on them, put them back in the oven, let them simmer a little bit, and you're done. You don't have to make gravy, but you can. But follow the directions on the back of this. So with these potatoes, I've just seasoned them, and all I'm gonna do is put them in the oven and get them warmed up good on 350, and then I'm gonna take them out. They'll be a little bit brown on top, and I'm gonna cover them in shredded cheddar. You can use whatever cheese you want, but I'm gonna cover them with shredded cheddar, put them back in the oven, and let the cheddar melt. And like I say, you can put bacon bits, whatever, but something really easy and something quick and really good man food. So that's what we're doing tonight in our kitchen. We'll call it football, hamburger steak, gravy, potato balls, and then I'm gonna put a salad with it. So cooking, cutting up, keeping it real, give it a try.